Second chance in life. Rehan was an ordinary young man with big dreams. But life had other plans. He kept failing, again and again. In the final year of college, he failed his exams. His friends distanced themselves, relatives started mocking him, and his father's face was filled with disappointment. Rehan began to feel like there was nothing left for him in life. For months, he stayed in his room, disconnected from the world. Days passed in silence, and nights were filled with thoughts of failure and regret. Then one day, an old teacher from the neighborhood saw him. He noticed the same spark in Rehan's eyes that once held ambition. The teacher asked just one question. "Rehan, do you want to give your life a second chance?" Rehan paused for a moment, then quietly said, "Yes." That moment became the turning point in his life. The teacher gave him simple advice. Study a little every day, work a little harder each day, and most importantly, believe in yourself. For the first time, Rehan began working with consistency. He woke up early, followed a schedule, studied daily, and made a promise to himself every day. "I will not give up." Time passed, and a year later, the same Rehan who was once considered a failure topped his university exams. His success was published in newspapers, his photo was pinned on school walls, and his father's eyes welled up with tears of pride. But Rehan didn't keep this success to himself. He started teaching children in his neighborhood, helping them understand that failure is not the end, it can be a new beginning. Rehan's story teaches us that life always gives us a second chance, we just need to recognize it and hold on to it. Sometimes, a small decision, a single yes, can change your entire life. Remember, if you fail today, you can still succeed tomorrow. Just don't give up and give yourself that second chance. Message: life doesn't end until you give up. A second chance is often the first step toward a brand new beginning.